Is your PC running slow, lagging, or even crashing? Before you wipe everything and reinstall Windows, wait! I'm going to show you how to fix it without losing your data. Let's bring your machine back to life. This isn't just about cleaning junk files. We're going deep to solve the root causes of poor performance. First things first, let's diagnose the problem. The most common culprits are high CPU, RAM, or disk usage. Press Ctrl-Shift-Escape to open your task manager. Look at the Processes tab. What's eating up your resources? Is it a program you don't recognize? Or maybe your antivirus running a heavy scan? Sort by CPU, memory, and disk to find the offender. For a more detailed look, open the Resource Monitor. Just type Resman in the Start menu. Here you can see exactly which files a process is accessing or which network connections it's making. This level of detail is crucial. If you see something like System or SFC DISM using a lot of resources, it could point to a driver issue or even a Windows service gone rogue. Don't just end tasks randomly though. Note down the names of any suspicious processes. A quick search can tell you if it is a critical system component or something you can safely deal with. This initial investigation will guide our next steps. Now, let's tackle one of the biggest performance killers: startup programs. Every time you boot up your PC, tons of applications launch in the background, consuming valuable resources. Head back to Task Manager and click on the Startup tab. You'll probably see a long list of apps, many of which you don't need running all the time. Go through the list and disable anything that isn't essential. Things like Steam, Discord, or Spotify don't need to start with Windows. You can just open them when you need them. Disabling them is a great first step, but some sneaky programs hide deeper. For a true deep clean, we'll use a powerful free tool called Autoruns from Microsoft. It shows you every single thing that starts with your PT, not just apps, but drivers, services, and scheduled tasks. Run it as an administrator. Go to the Options menu and hide Microsoft and Windows entries. Now you can see all the third-party software. Be careful here. Don't just uncheck everything. If you're unsure about an entry, a quick online search will tell you what it is. Unchecking unnecessary startup items here can dramatically speed up your boot time and free up RAM. Next up, driver conflicts. Outdated or corrupted drivers can cause all sorts of problems, from blue screens to stuttering in games. Graphics drivers are the most common issue. The best way to do a clean install is with a tool called Display Driver Uninstaller, or DDU. Boot into safe mode. Run DDU to completely wipe your old AMD, NVIDIA, or Intel graphics drivers. Then reboot and install the latest version downloaded directly from the manufacturer's website. This ensures no old files are left behind to cause conflicts. But don't stop there. Your motherboard's chipset drivers are just as important. They control how all the components on your motherboard talk to each other. Go to your motherboard manufacturer's website, find your model, and download and install the latest chipset drivers. This can fix weird USB issues, improve storage performance, and boost overall system stability. It's a step many people miss, but it's absolutely vital for a smooth running PC. What if the problem isn't a program or a driver, but Windows itself? Over time, system files can become corrupted, leading to strange errors and instability. Luckily, Windows has built-in tools to fix this. First, open Command Prompt or PowerShell as an administrator. You can do this by right-clicking the Start button. Type the command SFC, Scano, and press Enter. This is the system file checker. It will scan all protected system files and replace any corrupted ones with a cache copy. This process can take a while, so be patient. If SFC finds errors but can't fix them, don't worry. We have another, more powerful tool. In the same administrator window, type DISM, Online Cleanup Image Restore Health. This command uses Windows Update to download fresh copies of any damaged files. Running SFC in DISM is like a health checkup for your operating system's core files. and it can solve a surprising number of issues. For all you gamers out there, let's get you more frames. Windows has a few settings that can hold back your gaming performance if not configured correctly. First, let's deal with the Xbox Game Bar. While it has some useful features, its background recording and overlay can sometimes cause stuttering or input lag. Search for Xbox Game Bar in your settings and disable it. Also, turn off Record What Happened in the Capture settings. Next, a crucial setting: Hardware Accelerated GPU Scheduling. Search for Graphics Settings in the Start menu. If your GPU and driver support it, you'll see an option to turn it on. This lets your graphics card manage its own memory, which can reduce latency and improve performance in many games. You'll need to restart your PC for it to take effect. These simple tweaks can give you a noticeable boost in FPS and make your games feel much more responsive. Let's talk about your storage, especially if you have an SSD. A healthy SSD is key to a snappy system. First, make sure trim is enabled. Open Command Prompt as an administrator and type sudo behavior query disable delete notify. If the result is 0, trim is enabled, which is what you want. If it's 1, type sudo behavior set disable delete notify 0 to enable it. Trim is essential for maintaining SSD performance over time. Next, check your SSD's firmware. Go to the manufacturer's website and see if they have a utility like Samsung Magician or Crucial Storage Executive. These tools let you update the firmware, which can fix bugs and improve performance. They also let you check the health of your drive and sometimes enable special features like over-provisioning, which can further enhance longevity and write speeds. Don't neglect your SSD's health. It's the foundation of your PC's speed. So, did all this work actually make a difference? Let's look at the results. Before we started, my test stun was taking over a minute to boot to the desktop, and it felt sluggish opening apps. In Cyberpunk 2077, I was averaging around 78 frames per second, but with annoying stutters. After following all these steps, cleaning up startup, updating drivers, fixing system files, and optimizing gaming settings, the difference is night and day. The boot time is now just 18 seconds. The desktop is instantly responsive. And in Cyberpunk, I'm now getting a stable 92 frames per second, and those micro stutters are completely gone. The gameplay is so much smoother. This isn't magic. It's just about taking the time to properly tune your system. It proves you don't need to nuke your install to get that fresh install feeling. You see, with a little bit of effort, you can solve performance problems and make your PC feel brand new again. We covered diagnosis, startup, drivers, system files, gaming tweaks, and SSD health. If you want to get the links to all the tools I mentioned, like Autoruns and DDU, plus a handy checklist to follow, just comment "clean fix" down below, and I'll send you the full optimization toolkit. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into PC performance. See you next time.